Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about the most important repairs, in my opinion. So, my name is Michael Ross. I am a real estate expert, right? I've done this for like 35 years. And, here's some topics that you really should pay attention to in regard to repairs of what really is important to people. Kitchens and bathrooms. That typically is the biggest one. Kitchen and bathrooms, for every dollar that you invest into your property for kitchens and bathrooms, you're going to get a return. Typically, right? I mean, there's exceptions to everything, but everybody is focused in on that bathroom. Appliances, cabinets, sinks and faucets, really important stuff, folks. So if you're going to do updates, that's one of the biggest ones. It really will do a return on your investment and help you get top dollar for your property. Home interiors, second runner up. Walls and ceilings, floors. A lot of times the HVAC stuff, it's important, but it's like if somebody has a furnace or somebody has everybody expects the house to be at 70 degrees and that there be hot water, or at least here in America. But it really is important overall. If you want to update these appliances, you're typically at least going to get your money back. Smoke detectors, please don't miss that. It's like whenever there's a plumbing, heating, electrical, structural, radon, termite inspection, and others that are commercially available at a modest fee, right? It's like, make sure that you do that. It's just a nuisance if you do not have the proper amount of smoke detectors in your property. Home exterior, appearance is really important. It's like that lipstick on a girl. It's like it's important. Make sure that the colors are updated. Make sure that there's no peeling paint. There are many types of financing also, like FHA. You really have to scrape and paint every single surface and make sure that that's knotted down. Garage, roof, drains, foundational stuff. Really important. It's really important that the outward appearance as well as the inward appearance it's important to get that stuff knotted down. And as I said, dollar for dollar, you're looking at kitchens and bathrooms, appliances, cabinets, sinks and faucets. Update that stuff. Now, I'm going to say something, and please don't hate me. It's like typically, my experience has been, many times, it's the woman that makes the decision. In some situations, that's not true. But in my estimation, if you keep the other half happy, it's like that's a very important step. I don't mean to be chauvinistic. I'm just saying. It's like it really does help. It really does help. And the home interior, walls and ceilings, floors, water heater updates and stuff, that's just making a home comfortable. And then lastly, it's like everybody wants to, most people, they want an exterior that's pleasing. I would update that. A lot of people, what happens in a transaction many times is that I'm asked this question: should I lower my price a couple $1,000s, or should I take and give it a coat of paint? Always give it a coat of paint, or always update that, because they just see the problem in front of them. And that's what you're looking at. You're looking at making a property pleasing to the eye of anybody that takes a look at it. My name is Michael Ross. I'm the owner-broker of Grand Rapids Realty. My telephone number is 616-293-9757. Please give me a call at any time. I'd love to talk to you if you have any more questions. Thank you.